To me, Wisconsin Rapids is home. We represent hard work, community, and good people. I take hardscaping as an art, the design and layout and concept, and turn it into art in people's backyards and give them something to enjoy with their families. Craftsmanship to me means taking your time, showing pride in your work, building things to stand the test of time. For me, the best part is when my clients get to see the finished product. I've had laughter, tears, jaws drop, and overall joy just from providing a new space for someone. So the response I get from being creative, that's the best part of my job.